So, if you've been at it for a bit, you've realized that your exhaust fans can get a little disgusting pretty quickly. Not only does your screen act like a cheese grater for critters wanting to enter or exit, but your blades and housing get mucked up and your fan cover can start sticking to the housing. So, hang out for some useful tips. First of all, you want to get up on the roof and take some sort of mild cleaner like Windex. Just clean your fan cover and then the housing. Go ahead and have it lifted up so you can get to as many parts as possible and just give them a thorough wipe down. Then climb inside, and for the housing on the inside, I try and use something that's got a little more cleaning power. I really like the Dawn foam spray. It just kind of soaks in and breaks everything up. Seemed to work pretty good on the dead bugs. But again, you just want to take your time and try and get everything you can get to as clean as possible. Then I went back with Windex on the inside as well, just to make sure I got all the residue off. If you all notice, your fan covers will stick sometimes to your housing. So I was trying to make sure I got all that off of the housing itself, and then also made sure to clean the fan cover real good from the inside, and especially wipe down those rubber seals. And then a little tip, to try and keep those from sticking, I just took a little chapstick, put it on my finger, and ran it around the top edge of that rubber seal. Anything like that, a little Vaseline, chapstick, something along those lines. Then you can simply undo that little set screw, just loosen that up a hair, and the fan itself will slide right off. And the Dawn foam spray worked great on this thing. I sprayed both sides, let it sit for a minute, and then used my dish scrubber. Scrubbed it down real good and then rinsed it off. Hit it with a towel.